Sundays 9 to 4. Out at many people at Pinery Market, so first time here. Okay. Oh, shit. $2 per person. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay. So we got in. Parking is on the left.
Okay.
It looks to be very busy. Let's just follow. Do not enter. Do not enter one way. So we just go in a certain way, and then just until we find a spot. Oh, that's still huge. So we'll find a way. One way. Okay, we can just go one by one. Maybe we'll get lucky somewhere. We found a parking spot, luckily. Okay, it's okay. They have enough. They have plenty of space. Birds and rocks and things. There was sand and hills and rings. The ocean is a desert with its life underground, and the perfect skies above. Under the cities lies a heartbeat of sound, because the humans will give no love. See, I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can't remember your name, because there ain't no one there to give you no pain. La 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 la. What's the tag?
You can follow me on thedamage.music on Instagram.
All right, thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. You can say something about yourself and then like what you do, and
All right.
it says this is what you made out of metal, or like.
So this is what I do in the winter months, because obviously I work through the summer months.
Yeah.
With farm equipment and all this stuff like that. So
Yeah.
this is a lot of cutoffs that I do. The sheets off the table for doing jobs through the week. And this is just leftover steel. And
Yeah.
The idea is I want to utilize it as much as possible.
Yeah.
And essentially make metal art, because I find that certain people throw things away.
Yeah.
I like to make something out of scrap.
That's
And
amazing.
Cool thing to do, and it keeps my mind active.
During the winter.
Bend it and make it all work.
How did you learn this?
So this is just, you start from something,
Yeah.
and you get somewhere from there.
Yeah. Is there like books or watching YouTube or like something?
This is just all off the top of my head.
All right. Just make one thing and then something more complicated, more complex.
And you just kind of spitball it from there.
Okay.
The idea is nothing is exactly, as much as there's these trucks that look kind of the same, they're all a little bit different.
Everything custom. Yes. That's incredible. And do you have like a website or something?
So I got a Facebook page, Molzan Welding, and I don't really post too many of these things because I'd rather people see it in person instead of try to post it all over online. I'm very old school in that sense. I'm like a Mennonite. I don't really watch TV too much and that. I like to
in person
work with my hands.
That's amazing.
Because what I do throughout the week, doing these kind of help my brain.
I understand completely. 100%. All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Amazing.
All right. Thank you. Yeah.
It's cool music up there.
Yes. So number 6, we got it.
Yeah.
Yay. Yeah.
workshop. Breads.
$17.95 for this size, and the big ones are $24.95.
24. Okay, 17, 24. So can I get a basil lemongrass?
Absolutely, yeah, for small bottles. I'll grab them and wrap them for you.
So I'm gonna get two.
Our plant is dying here.
Not
Looks
doing
like not doing well. So what do we think about the market?
Pinery.
Pinery Market.
It was really good.
It's good. We like the
vibrant.
food. We like the music. We like the crowd. People are cool, I think. And then what else? There's so many vendors.
It feels like real Canadian culture.
It feels like real Canadian culture place. Yes. So
Even though we are Canadians.
we are technically Canadian, yes. So anyway, really good place, worth visiting for sure.
So
Only Sundays. Parking is fine
There's
after
so
all.
many awesome artists.
So many artists, like
Artists, yeah.
so many custom-made crafts.
Cooper artists, metal artists.
Yeah, metal, what have you? Just everything is in there.
Very
I
good.
got a little tired after a while.
But I actually bought fancy olive oils, like
You bought fancy olive oil. Yeah.
Greek
And something else.
and then basil.
Basil, yeah.
Basil
So now
lemongrass.
we'll try to go to Grand Band, but it looked like it's really crowded there. But
I'm not
we'll
sure.
try.
Yeah.
Looks like, yeah. Anyway, we'll try.
21 north.
Off we go.